Good morning, welcome back and Tech 24 channel. Today going to show that how can you use your Android security with any application without any third-party software apps locking system. So let's get started. Open your settings and look here. There are two system security password, lock screen and password. Now check out privacy protection password. Privacy protection password. Use privacy protection password. Now click on. Is this password is which are you first implement your phone locking security password. Now check out. Now next, look here. Privacy protection password. Set your privacy protection password. Go and unlock pattern. Now click on again. Okay, next. If you have MI account, you are signing with MI account. It is the more reserved account system in MI storage. Not now. Now check out. This password protect the following items: message, photos, file and notes. And if you have MI account, MI servers stores your all data in their server. If you want to change this password, click here and draw pattern, change your password. This is the one base password. Now check out app lock. Scroll down your settings. If you could not find app lock, you search here app lock. Okay, look, app lock apps is the Android, not third party software. So I get it in my settings, app lock. Now check out, open. Protect your privacy with app lock. You can use app lock with 12 apps. These features only include 12 applications under security in this system. Now click on turn on. Set pattern, change password, connect at least 4 dots. Only 4 dots you connected. Check out. 4 dot again. Now next, add your MI account. So I have no MI account, so I don't not now. Add MI. Your MI account is the only way to restore your app lock in case you forget it. Sign in, add your MI account. It features right there. No, not now because I have no amount. You look only 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 12 applications appear here. If you want to another application, you proceed. So most important, WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, it's the personal item. Now use app lock. Okay. If you want to fingerprint setup, check out fingerprint verified. So if you want another applications like as Gmail is most important, or Google, Google Play Store, Gmail apps, the most important part in human life nowadays. Check out and which applications are running. Want to hide sensitive notification app lock? You click check out hide it. Okay, go back the results. I set my protected password. Now check out. Okay, the first time I use fingerprint, and again when I again lock this phone, the system again restore. Now another application, Messenger. Now draw your pattern and fix W. This tools feature and two settings. If you want needed applications, checkout lock screen password is not necessary for this time. Click on turn off. If you want to use app lock, the privacy protection is not necessary this item. Check out again and the Gmail box. Okay, look here, the app lock password is used, the privacy password is needed. If you want to another, use it. I hope that this tutorial is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and stay connected to the channel.